और इसीलिए हमने ये निर्णय लिया है कि जो टीके महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने 18 से 44 उम्र के लोगों के लिए खरीदी किए थे, परचेज किए थे, उसमें से पूरी की पूरी मात्रा, वो कोविशील्ड की हो या कोवैक्सीन की हो, वो हम 45 इयर्स के जो राष्ट्रीय टीकाकरण जो भारत सरकार की जिम्मेदारी का काम है उसकी तरफ हम ट्रांसफ़र कर रहे हैं। और इसलिए 18 से 44 साल के उम्र का टीकाकरण महाराष्ट्र में तुरंत यानी टेम्पररी बेसिस के लिए हम स्थगित कर रहे हैं।
The absence of a transparent formula for allocation of vaccines raises critical questions of vaccine equity in India. Data analyzed by the Indian Express shows that just 7 states account for almost a staggering 85% of all vaccine doses administered to those in the 18 to 44 group since it opened on May 1st. Records show that the pattern contradicts assurances given by the Centre to the Supreme Court that to ensure equity, it has worked with private manufacturers to factor in states' population. Of the 34.66 lakh doses administered from 1st May to 12th May to those in the 18 to 44 age group, over 85% were administered in 7 states: Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Delhi, Gujarat, Haryana, Bihar, and Uttar Pradesh. Except for Delhi, these are 6 of the 13 states of concern, that is, those with over 1 lakh active cases, flagged by the centre that together account for 82.51% of India's total active cases. Ironically, the remaining concerned states administered a dismal 5.86% of the total doses to their 18 to 44 population. In fact, many states have curbed vaccinations to this group because of shortage. Consider 3 of the states that recently witnessed elections. Kerala, with the third highest active caseload, administered nearly 771 doses, while Tamil Nadu, with the 7th highest caseload, administered 22,326 doses. West Bengal, with the 9th highest caseload, administered 12,751 doses. Another state that stands out is Karnataka, where only 74,015 doses of the vaccine were administered, while the state currently has the country's highest active caseload. The pattern is telling, and the reason is the centre's criteria for distributing its doses to states. Firstly, while distributing doses to states to vaccinate only healthcare workers, frontline workers, and those above the age of 45, the centre uses extent of infection or the number of active cases as one of the 3 criteria to allocate vaccines. But this criteria is not the factor in the allocation of vaccines to the 18 to 44 age group, for which states have to necessarily procure vaccines from the open market. The second criterion used by the centre is performance of the vaccine, which is determined by average consumption and speed of performance, and the third is vaccine wastage. But these don't seem to matter when it comes to the 18 to 44 year group. For instance, Kerala is one of the best performers in terms of recording the lowest vaccine wastage and has administered an impressive 81.12 lakh doses, but it has administered merely 771 doses to the 18 to 44 age group. Telangana and Assam have similar populations of over 3 crore. However, when it comes to the 18 to 44 age group, while Assam has administered 1.31 lakh doses, Telangana has administered a dismal 500. Significantly, states have now begun tendering for vaccines, but it will be a while before the final delivery happens. Until then, in the absence of a vaccine allotment formula from the centre, disparities will continue to show up.